Hmm. Ha ha ha. Maximum Indian people also stay there in Dubai, right? Hmm. Hmm. Right, right. Because their rule regulation is just so strong in there. Mm-hmm. Okay, come back. Ah, right. Because their rule regulation is just so strong, right? Right, right. That's why people they feel safe in there, right? Right. Hmm. Punishment. Right. And you lead to prison. You- Hmm. They lead to jail. Yeah, they lead to jail without bail. Right. Yeah. That's why little kids also they save in there, and girls also save in there, right? And I got to know from YouTube and 65 lakhs people means native people in Dubai, not NRI, 65 lakhs, so less, right? And who are migrant there, like you people migrant in there, NRI people live in there due to their livelihood, right? Right. Maximum South part people they want to go there in Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Gulf country they want to prefer to go due to livelihood, right? Hmm. Okay. Ha ha ha. Hmm. Right, due to their livelihood, right? Yeah, and their lifestyle, their everything is so different, means developed country. Yeah, yes, yes, of course, definitely. That's why that is a developed country. They have because people they go there for their livelihood because of developed country, right? Yeah, yeah. That's why people they never unemployed in there. Of course, definitely. If you go there, then definitely you get any type of job in there, right? Hmm. That's why people they go there, right? Hmm. 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 Right, 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 right. Of course, definitely. Because India's skillful wages is a 800, according to state wage or 1000, this type of, right? But if you go to other country and their wages is so high apart from India because India is a population also so high population also and job also so less according to population. That is a big issue, right? Yeah, that's why people they go there for their livelihood, a migrant, right? Hmm. Right, 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 right. And you have to wait. You have to wait long time. Up you 2K 5 years for your graduation. After that, you have to wait a 5 years to get job. If you complete your graduation, then we have to take 5 years to complete graduation. After that, if you want to get a job, then you have to wait 5 years to get a job. Yes, I can hear you. I think, are you going to outside? Okay. Then I told you, if you want to get job, then you have to wait 5 years. Yeah. Then you took a 10 years, right? You complete your graduation, you took 5 years, and if you want to get job, then you took also 5 years. Then you, that's when your age also increase, right? You don't have earning source on your hand, then it is so difficult, right? Then, yeah, that's why people after complete their graduation, they want to go to different country for their livelihood. Yeah, yes, right. Yeah, obviously, if you get a good job, handsome salary, yeah, then why you leave your family and you go there? Tell me. Hmm. And without money, no one can recognize you, who you are. Yeah. If you have money, then definitely everyone they recognize you. You build your identity, right? Then you, right, right, right. Right now you get a good handsome salary and your lifestyle is different, right? Yes, of course, definitely. And if you want to come back in India, then definitely you set up your business or something. Of course, definitely, definitely. Right, of course. You cannot save your money also, right? Yeah. That's why developed country is a developed country, and that's why developed country they hire worker from India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, right? That is a hmm, 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 right. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Because of their behavior, their attitude, like a means good, friendly, yeah, friendly. Because if they never treat you friendly, they never give you friendly behavior attitude, then how can you survive in there? Tell me. Hmm. They treat you as a native people. They provide their behavior, attitude like a family members and one country people. That's why you people want to stay there and you provide your service in there and you can generate earning source in also there, right? Yeah. Otherwise, no one can stay there, right? Yeah, their mindset is that kind of developed mindset. Developed country people develop mindset, right? Yeah, but that is a good. India, even though you see India is a multicultural country, then different state have different mindset people. Your state people mindset is a different, my state people mindset is a different because your state people little bit in within India, south part is a developed state and developed people and well educated people high in India in south part. You people, Yeah, you people always think after completing your graduation, you don't want to depend your parents, and you people want to generate income source in individually, right? And you do it that type of, yeah, individually, and you searching job after completing graduation, and you don't think about. No, no, because different India people, even though you see, because of graduate people, well-educated people, they don't want to ready to do in clerical job, right? They want to sit in higher position job and they want to get a handsome salary. They think this type of. That's why educated unemployed is so high in India. Educated unemployed, illiterate unemployed is so less. People they never get laborer to get doing their work, right? Illiterate people is people they never get a labor people in India. Highly educated people are unemployed. They are increasing unemployed. They always think it is a big job, that is a means small job, and my father is a IS officer, I don't want to do in clerical job, I want to sit like my father sit, right? Because they are not capable, they are not capable to do that type of job, right? The mindset is so different. Mindset is so different from other country. Yeah, that's why. If you never change your mindset, then you cannot do it, right? If you change your mindset, then definitely you can do anything. That is a simple. Because of if you don't interest to go to Dubai, how who force you to send there? Tell me. Because you think I want to generate income source if I go there and I don't have job inside my country, then definitely you go, right? Yeah, yeah, that's why. Because that's why interest also required because you take action on time, right? Of course, because without money, how can you run your daily means daily routine? And if you wake up and after that started thinking about money, right? Yeah. Then otherwise you cannot do it, right? If you want to become, hmm, of course, definitely. But some cases, okay, we cannot buy happiness, that is a different part, right? But if, of course, but that's why I'm telling if, yeah, yeah, if you don't have money, then you lead your stress, tension, unhappy, right? You directly welcome your unhappy due to money, right? Yeah, that's why. But some exceptional case, people have money, everything, but they don't satisfy, right, their life. That is a different matter. But without money, how can you do it without money? Tell me. Yeah, yeah, that's why money required daily. Yeah, very important. If you don't have money, then you lose your means temper also, right? And you worry about everything. You worry. If your account is zero, then definitely you worry about it. How can you survive? Without oxygen, you can survive one day. Without money, you cannot survive, right? This type of means, right, right. Of course, definitely, definitely. Sometimes we get a unexpected situation, right? Then, Money can solve that situation. Money can solve that situation. If you are intelligent, you have a good degree, but that degree and that intelligence never solve your problem. Sometimes money solve your problem. Right. Yeah. Yeah, everything good, every year good.